Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. You're on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming Blackberry Key 3. Let's have a look. It will be a smartphone with a typical physical keyboard and runs on the latest Android version. The smart design and powerful performance match the handset to the latest generation Android smartphone. In the generation where we are getting the smartphone with the in-display fingerprint scanner, the Blackberry is still maintaining its traditional physical keyboard design even in this modern era. It was followed by the Blackberry Key 1. It is a lighter camera with a dual camera setup with a zoom technology. The Blackberry Key 2 is the most notable features of the Blackberry. It is a premium look. This is a bit noticeable while making the fingerprints. The fingerprint scanner to unlock the device. The upcoming smartphone has a 5.5 inches IPS LCD screen resolution of 1080 × 1920 resolution and 16.9 aspect ratio. Apart from updated design, the device also has impressive internals. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 SoC, which is the mid-range processor. It is coupled with a 6GB and 8GB RAM and 128GB and 256GB internal memory that is features expandable using microSD card slot. As for the camera, it is equipped with a dual rear camera of 19 megapixel and 16 megapixel that can capture pretty great shots. The front end house a 13 megapixel sensor that can take clear and crisp photos. The new Blackberry Key 3 will pack in 4000 mAh battery that renders enough battery life despite extensive usage. It runs on the latest Android 9.0 Pie operating system. According to the news rumors, wireless charging. Now that's not one I have been too particular about because in general Blackberry is making phone with the killer good battery life. And I think the wireless charging is a nice feature. And I think it's one of those flagship checkboxes that would make a lot of people happy, and the reason I like it honestly is not that I want to charge it wirelessly, it's that the Blackberry Key 3 release date is not officially announced. Still, we expect the device to make its appearance in the second quarter of 2019. While 2019 is likely to bring up several 5G smartphones, this upcoming Blackberry smartphone may also launch with the 5G support. One key upgrade driver could be 5G, but Mayo said in the prior interview that there won't be a Blackberry running on the next generation wireless technology in 2019. He did keep the possibility alive for a 2020 5G Blackberry though. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Blackberry Key 3. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And peace out. Take care. Bye bye.